Hello friends, in this video we are going to discuss the second numerical related to power MOSFET. Okay, so let's read the numerical carefully. Figure shows a MOSFET with an integral body diode. Okay, so here we are having the MOSFET and here it is the diode. Okay, so consider this as a single switch. Next, it is employed as a power switching device in the on and off states through appropriate control. Okay, the on and off states of the switch are given on the VDS IS plane by, okay, and they have given the four options. Okay, so it is like we need to identify the static operating points on the VI plane for this switch. Are you getting the point? Okay, so here VDS is the voltage across the device. IS means instead of ID they have given it as a IS. Okay, here current and here current both are same. Okay, so it is a IS, here it is a VDS. Okay, so now we need to check for the forward voltage across the switch, yes, whether the device is able to block the forward voltage or not. Similarly for reverse voltage, whether the device is able to block it or not during the off state. Okay, whether the device is allowing the forward current, whether the device is allowing the reverse current. Okay, that we need to check. Okay, so first of all let us redraw the given switch. Okay, in the answer let us redraw the given switch. So here we are having the MOSFET gate terminal. Next, okay, here it is the source, here it is a drain terminal. Next, here we are having a diode, this current is IS, okay, and this voltage is VDS. Okay, so let us discuss one by one. Okay, so okay, this is a VDS and this is a IS. Okay, now we are going to discuss first for unipolar or bipolar. Okay, so when VDS is positive means plus here and minus here. Okay, means suppose we have connected the external supply between drain and source. Okay, of that the positive plate will be connected to the drain, negative plate is connected to the source. Okay, and during the unipolar or bipolar, yes, generally we concentrate on blocking state, that is the device is in the off state. Okay, so suppose when this voltage is appearing, VDS is positive means plus here minus here, and suppose this MOSFET is in the off state. If the MOSFET is in the off state, as we know the MOSFET is the controlled device, right? It is controlled by the VGS, gate to source voltage. Okay, so when MOSFET is in the off state means what? This switch is acting as an open circuit. Okay, so whether the diode will allow, yes, whether this diode will allow this current? No, definitely the diode will block this voltage. Are you getting the point? Okay, so can we say that our switch, yes, will block the forward voltage, so operating point will be at this point. Okay, next, because corresponding to this point voltage is non-zero but current is 0. Okay, so diode is in the reverse bias mode and this switch is also in the off state, so definitely the current will be 0. Okay, next, suppose VDS is negative. VDS is negative means what? Here it is minus, here it is plus. Okay, so when switch is in the off state, definitely the switch will block this voltage. Okay, but whether the diode will block this voltage? No, because for diode this VDS is negative is nothing but for this diode it is a forward voltage. Okay, so this diode will not be able to block this voltage. Okay, so whether we will be getting operating point here? No, we will not get the operating point at the negative VDS. Are you getting the point? Okay, so indirectly our switch will not block the negative VDS. Okay, negative VDS. Next, let us discuss for ID or IS. Let us discuss for IS. Suppose IS is positive. IS positive means suppose current is in the downward direction. Okay, so when switch is in the on state, because for unidirectional and bidirectional we are concentrating on conduction state, yes or no? Okay, so when switch is in the on state, yes, whether this switch will allow the current in the downward direction? Definitely, because in the power MOSFET operation we have discussed, okay, the ID direction was in the downward direction. Okay, and this is the N channel MOSFET. Are you getting the point? Okay, so here current is in the downward direction, that will be allowed. Okay, so positive current, yes, will be allowed by the switch. right? Next, suppose is negative. Is negative means current is in the upward direction, means indirectly this current is in the upward direction. Okay, so if the current is in the upward direction, okay, definitely this MOSFET will not allow it. But what about this diode? Yes, this diode will allow the current, right? Because the diode will be in the forward bias mode, or diode will be acting as an short circuit, right? Because in the forward bias mode. Okay, so yes, the negative current is also allowed by the switch. Okay, so if you check the static wave characteristics of this switch combination, it is like this. Okay, so what is the correct answer? Correct answer is option B. Okay, option B is the correct answer. Are you getting the point? Okay, so it is like a unipolar bidirectional switch, right? Unipolar bidirectional switch combination. Are you getting the point? Okay, so this is about the numerical based on power MOSFET. Thank you.